Welcome back to Morgborg Tech. This is Walmart Bargains episode 7 of the unboxing of the $15 TCL 30Z from Straight Talk. This is actually my first Straight Talk phone in my collection. The phone itself, because Straight Talk is a subsidiary of Tracfone, the actual phone itself isn't any different. However, it's nice to have a different box in my collection instead of a bunch of Tracfone boxes. So I went ahead and picked this up. This phone came out in 2022 and was being discontinued when I bought it. It is replaced, I believe, by the TCL ION V, which retails for about 30 bucks. So I believe the ION V is the replacement for this device. And I actually picked this up at the same Walmart as I picked up the $50 Galaxy A14 5G from, so that's pretty cool. So let's just take a look around this box here and then open it up and look at the phone. So we get some specs here. 6.1-inch HD plus display, battery talk time 19 hours, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front, 32 gigs of storage, the name of the phone, and the Straight Talk logo with a picture of the phone right here. Now, I'm not expecting any crazy specs with this phone just because it's very cheap. Plan information. Fine print right here. I'll let you pause on that. And here's the phone itself. Some information here and some more specs. This is a 4G LTE phone, so no 5G. Android 12. Supports Wi-Fi calling. Micro SD up to 512 gigabytes. A 2 gigahertz quad-core processor, so no octa-core processors here. Bluetooth 5 and hearing aid compatible M4T3. On the back here is just more fine print with the package contents, activation card, charger, battery, quick start guide, and about your phone booklet. So let's open this package up now. Doesn't look like I did a very good job with the package. So on the back is the activation documents and the rest of the documents. Here's the phone, just kind of loose in here. Set this to the side. Here's a removable battery. So this phone is a little old school, if you will, because most phones, even in 2022, had non-removable batteries. I'm going to put this to the side. Here's our back cover. Quick start guide. Terms and conditions of service. And the Wi-Fi calling info sheet. Here's a charging cable with the charging brick. Looks like it would be USB Type A to micro USB. Surprisingly, this phone is a micro USB phone. Very old school, honestly. More documents. So I will clean up and then we can proceed. So let's start by removing the plastic from the battery and back cover. pretty basic here. And here is the battery. Let's see what size it is. Let's just say 2880 milliamp hours. And this manufacturer date could probably tell us how old this phone is. So this phone is probably about a year old. So you can see SIM card is pre-installed. So let's install this battery. And we have some plastic to remove on the camera lens. Put the back cover on. And remove this screen protector. So let's take a look around this phone real quick. On the right side here is the volume rocker, our power button, little port to remove the back cover. These look like our speakers. Maybe one of them's a microphone, who knows. Micro USB port. Pretty rare even on a phone from 2022. On the front is an earpiece, our notch with the camera, and our display. On the top is the headphone jack and a microphone. On the back is the camera, LED flash, and our back cover with this texture going on. TCL logo, Tracfone logo. And I must say, this back cover feels pretty cheap. Here there's a little bit of you can notice the cheap feeling in the plastic. If I run my finger over it, you can feel the difference in texture. So let's give this phone some power. Startup sound was a little choppy, so hopefully that's not an indication of this phone's actual performance. Alright, so that took quite a while to start up, so I will set this phone up off camera and come back when I'm done. Alright, so setup is complete, so let's see how much storage we have available. Wherever the settings menu is. I don't think it's in there. Very confusing menu. This phone is quite sluggish. It took several minutes to get through the setup process. And out of 32 gigabytes, 13 are used out of the box. And let's see the Android version. We are running Android 12 with this clock Easter egg. So that's the TCL 30Z. So that's Walmart Bargains Episode 7, the unboxing of the $15 TCL 30Z from Straight Talk. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.